I'm pretty hopeful about the hemp market now too, with like Safe Banking Act going through, and like because Kentucky's so behind it, like we went through a crash in 2019 because so many people flocked to it, right? But now that all of a sudden incentivized people to start looking at these other avenues that hemp can do from the fiber standpoint. So it's like, it should be a massively big time construction material because of its renewable speed. You know, once people start committing to that and they go through the engineering like processes to like certify some of this stuff, like in forms of glue lambs, and the Hempcrete's a big deal, like and that starts bleeding into actual construction projects and all that stuff, like that's going to be a big deal. So it's like your acreages are going to be going more towards that, like smaller 12-20 acre farms, like wineries will be your boutique flower and stuff, which is the route we really want to kind of go towards. But then those people that learned how to grow it at scale will be able to start producing the fiber to really build some stuff while still pulling in that carbon sink that you're talking about. So once we get there, like that'll be a game changer. I know there's people like building surfboards and skateboards out of it. I think it works really well as like a finished material that's non-structural bearing. Lots of unique things going around out there right now, but it really needs like one of these big mill guys or something to finally commit to it. But they're not quite ready, and with lumber, the price of where it is, they're probably doing pretty well. So
right,
incentive isn't quite there, but
right,
it'll be there.
It'll be there. It'll come. And I know, like, yeah, it's like we've been talking about hemp and hempcrete, I feel like forever, you know, and it's like, just it's like why aren't you know, and I know in Europe they use a lot more of the hemp plastics. The United States is kind of behind, but I think we're going to catch up in a hurry because
yeah, 3D printing will change that too.
Yep.
When you can print concrete or plastic and it's naturally produced, that's going to be a big deal.
Yep.
Especially with oil going sky high over time, because the more expensive that gets, the more incentive it is to find a cheap alternative.